Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back sharing another work from home job lead. This one is from the company Buildout. Now, in 2010, Buildout pioneered a commercial real estate marketing automation. Today, they are partnered with over 35,000 brokers, and they are within the 12 of the top 20 brokerages counted as customers. They are hiring an associate product support specialist. Now, this is remote in the United States only. And this is more of a customer service job. So they are basically looking for someone to deliver exceptional customer experience through one-on-one interactions in a support email queue, live chat sessions, or phone calls. So you will not be on the phone 100% of the time because you will be working in email queue and live chat, but you will also be taking phone calls. So you have to be okay with having phone customer service. Of course, you'll help the customers any way you can, leading them to help center articles, FAQs, answering their question, or getting them to the right department if you are not it. You'll educate and empower the customers to become more comfortable using the platform, and you'll actively listen to the customers and provide, again, all the solutions to address their problems. So they are looking for someone who has experience working with customers already, someone who has excellent written and verbal communication skills, someone who is solution-oriented by nature, who has strong time management and organizational skills, and has a desire to learn. Now, if that sounds like you, again, they are remote friendly. They're open across most of the United States, and the salary for this position is anywhere from $44,000 to $59,000 a year. On top of that salary, they offer a benefit package that includes covering 100% of the employee health insurance premiums, so no premiums out of your paycheck for your insurance. They also offer 401k with a 4% company match. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything in the comments specific that you are looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am out here searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.